हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज मैं आपके साथ शेयर करने जा रही हूँ ऐसे रिपब्लिक डे पर 350 वर्ड्स के साथ ये ऐसे मैं आपके साथ शेयर करूँगी। वीडियो शुरू करने से पहले मैं आपसे रिक्वेस्ट करूँगी, अगर अभी तक आपने मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए। तो शुरू करते हैं हम अपनी वीडियो। Republic Day is most important national festival of India, which is celebrated every year on 26 January with great enthusiasm in the entire country. Parade is held at India Gate on 26 January, which is located in Delhi. This parade is done by India Army. To see the parade, people come in the number of millions. After the parade, all the states of country are exhibiting their own culture tradition like 15th August. This day is also take up the three-color flag in schools, the government offices. Children have different enthusiasm on this day. They get ready quickly and get to school on this day. Sweets and toffee are distributed to children in primary school. On this day, there is competition for essay writing and speech in all schools. All students participate in this competition. Children participate in more than one contest. The student who performs the best is given a reward. On 26th January, we celebrate with great fanfare because on this day, Constitution of India came into force on January 26, 1950. Instruction written in the Constitution apply to the citizen of the country. It is our duty to follow the instruction at the Constitution. It took 2 years, 11 months, and 18 days to write the Constitution. The Constitution was written by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. They had proposed a constitution in Parliament. A lot of things were taken care while writing the Constitution. The social system in our country is based on the Constitution for the citizen on the country. There is a lot of duties, rights, and freedom of expression mentioned in the Constitution. It is a duty of all citizens to follow the instruction of the Constitution. Without Constitution, we cannot imagine good social system. According to the Constitution, we have freedom to come and go anywhere in the country. According to the Constitution, India is a secular country where people of all religions live and they have freedom of their religion. There is also a provision for punishment for violation and instruction written in the Constitution. So Republic Day is a very important festival for us. अगर आपको मेरी वीडियो थोड़ी सी भी हेल्पफुल लगे तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक करें, चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, बेल आइकन के बटन को दबाना बिल्कुल ना भूलें ताकि आने वाली वीडियो की नोटिफिकेशन आपको मिलती रहे। थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग माय वीडियो।